In today's business landscape, sustainability has become paramount. Companies are increasingly seeking innovative solutions to minimize their environmental impact. Enter EOIPS, or Environmental Operational Information and Performance Systems, a revolutionary approach to carbon footprinting and sustainability management. EOIPS empowers businesses to measure, track, and optimize their environmental performance with unprecedented accuracy and efficiency. This essay will delve into the multifaceted world of EOIPS, exploring its transformative potential for businesses seeking to enhance their sustainability and operational efficiency. We will explore the definitions of these key concepts and examine how EOIPS bridges the gap between them. Through real-world examples, we will witness the tangible benefits of EOIPS implementation and understand why it is rapidly becoming an indispensable tool for forward-thinking companies. By the end of this essay, readers will gain a comprehensive understanding of EOIPS and its pivotal role in shaping a more sustainable and prosperous future for businesses worldwide. Sustainability, in its essence, refers to the ability to meet present needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own. It encompasses environmental, social, and economic dimensions, requiring businesses to operate in a manner that minimizes their ecological footprint while fostering social responsibility and long-term economic viability. In today's interconnected world, sustainability is no longer a choice, but a business imperative. Consumers are increasingly demanding eco-friendly products and services, and investors are prioritizing companies with strong sustainability track records. Governments are implementing stringent environmental regulations, and the effects of climate change are becoming increasingly apparent. Businesses that fail to embrace sustainability risk facing reputational damage, financial penalties, and a loss of market share. Conversely, companies that prioritize sustainability position themselves as responsible corporate citizens, attracting customers, investors, and top talent. Embracing sustainability is not only ethically sound, but also makes good business sense. Operational efficiency, often regarded as the lifeblood of successful businesses, centers around maximizing output while minimizing resource consumption. It involves streamlining processes, eliminating waste, and optimizing resource allocation to achieve greater productivity and cost-effectiveness. In a world of finite resources and increasing environmental concerns, operational efficiency plays a critical role in driving sustainable growth. By reducing waste, companies can lower their environmental impact, conserve valuable resources, and enhance their bottom line. Efficient operations also translate into reduced energy consumption, lower emissions, and a smaller carbon footprint. Moreover, operational efficiency enables companies to adapt to changing market dynamics, respond swiftly to customer demands, and maintain a competitive edge in the global marketplace. Section 4. EOIPS, a powerful synergy for sustainability and efficiency. EOIPS, standing for Environmental Operational Information and Performance Systems, emerges as a transformative force, bridging the gap between sustainability and operational efficiency. By leveraging advanced technologies and data analytics, EOIPS provides businesses with a comprehensive and real-time understanding of their environmental footprint across all aspects of their operations. This powerful tool enables companies to track energy consumption, water usage, waste generation, and greenhouse gas emissions with unprecedented accuracy. By identifying areas of inefficiency and environmental impact, EOIPS empowers businesses to implement targeted solutions that optimize resource utilization, reduce waste, and minimize their overall environmental footprint. EOIPS facilitates data-driven decision-making, enabling companies to set ambitious sustainability goals, track their progress, and communicate their environmental performance to stakeholders transparently. By aligning sustainability objectives with operational efficiency, EOIPS unlocks a powerful synergy that drives both environmental and economic sustainability. Section 5. EOIPS in Action – Real-World Success Stories. The transformative potential of EOIPS is best illustrated through real-world examples of companies leveraging this innovative approach to achieve remarkable sustainability and efficiency gains. Consider Unilever, a global consumer goods giant, which implemented an EOIPS system to monitor and reduce its environmental impact across its vast supply chain. By tracking energy consumption, water usage, and waste generation at its manufacturing facilities, Unilever achieved significant reductions in its environmental footprint while enhancing its operational efficiency and bottom line. Another compelling example is IKEA, the renowned furniture retailer, which utilized EOIPS to optimize its logistics and transportation network. By analyzing data on delivery routes, fuel consumption, and carbon emissions, IKEA implemented route optimization strategies, adopted fuel-efficient vehicles, and explored alternative transportation modes, such as rail and sea freight. These initiatives resulted in significant reductions in IKEA's carbon footprint and transportation costs.